Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily recover deleted messages on the Facebook Messenger in 2023, so let's jump right into it. Now you can see here, these messages are deleted or unsent by the sender. In order to recover them or to view them, follow up with me. First, go ahead and open your Facebook application and then tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Scroll down until you find Download Your Information. Tap on it. And once you make it here, make sure you have the Messages option selected. You can unselect the other options if you want. Once you're done from that, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on Create File right here. Then from here you have to wait for your file to be ready. You will be notified. Go ahead and download the file once ready and browse there. You will find the deleted messages, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.